Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add multiple photos to one story on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So step 1, launch your Instagram application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram application. Tap on your story icon above at the top left corner. You have to click this one or tap this plus icon to post a story or reels on your Instagram. So let me tap my profile first and then tap this plus icon right here to start my story. Now it will take me directly to my album, and all I have to do is to add a picture or video that I want to post as story. So for example, this one. Now in order for you to add multiple photos to one story, just click this sticker above right here. You have to look for the album option or icon. That means picture. Then you can select the picture or pictures that you wanted to add here on your Instagram. Now feel free to place or add a photo anywhere. You can even edit this, add some effects, add some letters and music. Everything is up to you. So tap it again to add the picture or add any picture from your gallery and just place it anywhere. So that's it. All you have to do is to click the sticker and then look for the photo option, select the picture from your gallery or take a picture, and that's it. So that's how easy it is to add multiple photos to one story on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.